Chipotle at home. Chipotle is my life. I'm going to show you how to make Chipotle from home. It's affordable, and you're not going to believe how fast this is to do. We're going to start by cutting this beef chuck roast up into 3-inch cubes. Brown them on all sides. Come behind with some pepper. Over medium-high heat, we'll hit our pan with some oil. And now we will lightly brown our meat. Now that we have these exactly like we want them, we're going to add them directly to the crock pot. The meat is going to do plenty of cooking on its own in the crock pot. You definitely don't want to brown it to where it's well done, because if you want your meat well done, you're in the wrong kitchen. Keep scrolling. We're already at the final step. Grab your blender and I'll show you what to put in it. Salt, pepper, cumin, oregano, 5 chipotle peppers, some adobo sauce from the chipotle peppers, hit it with some apple cider vinegar, 5 garlic cloves, some beef broth, and last but not least, hit it with some lime. And just like so, lay that over your meat. Low and slow for 6 hours. Now it's time to assemble our bowl. Rice. I like to use pinto beans, black beans, now we come in with our meat. Hit that with some of our cheese. And of course, some sour cream. Now you have Chipotle at home. You can add your pico de gallo, your corn salsa, you can add anything you want to. Different variations of beans, whatever they have to offer. This was mine, and this is Chipotle at home. Done for a good price. Feed you for quite a while. Enjoy.